broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness.
So I got this daily blender and it was recommended to me by my friend. It's got a blender and a chopper, and this is the chopper. It's so big. The old chopper I had before was not as big as this, but I just packed that away this morning because I knew that I was going to receive this one today, by the way. Okay. Oh, wow, it's quite big as well. In fact, it's very big. It's very, very big. If I tell you my blender story in this UK, in fact, and how much I've wasted on buying blenders, you will feel for me and you'll be happy if when I finally found the one that will work. So this is that's all that the blender has come with. It comes with this blade as well. This blade and some other stuff. My friend recommended that I should make sure that I register the warranty, the purchase, so that I can get a 2-year warranty. So yeah, okay, this is going to help me fix it. And she also said that I should try and use it all like immediately I get it, so that I would know that it's working perfectly. And I got this set for £49.99. Yeah. The other one I got, Badeful, I got that one from China, like straight from China. I just did it in my store this morning. The bottom is not like this. It's all those new ninja-like bottoms, and it actually got broken. No, it feels like it got broken. So, and I was told that I contacted the seller, and the seller told me that I have to send it back and pay for the shipping myself, and if they receive it and it doesn't look like what they sent to me, they won't refund me. So what's the point? I just decided to keep it in my store. Hopefully one day when my way goes to Nigeria, they will help me find a solution to me back in Nigeria. So yeah, I just want to go test this one quickly. So I'm in the kitchen now, and I want to quickly test this blender. As advised, this is my 3rd week of postpartum, by the way. So we're doing mommy work and the Lord's work. So just gonna look at me. And what am I going to blend? What can I blend? Something that is actually very hard to blend is what I'm going to blend. Let's get knife first. So I also created space over there for the chest freezer that is coming, because I had to buy a chest freezer as I want to start bulk buying our groceries now again, as I used to do before I had a baby. So and if you ask me how we've been the past fridge, in fact, I don't know how folks do things, but I know that this is me deviating from the actual topic while I quickly. Oh, my madam. We'll have to stop. Have to hold it. My madam needs my attention. Just a moment. What I'm going to do is I will just let her be for now. She just made a sound. You know all those their sounds that they make when they are sleeping. So that's what she just did. So I'm just gonna let her be. And the only thing is I'll go get. She's not just making a sound. Oops, my hand. I'll go get gloves. I'll use gloves. So in case she needs my attention, I'll just take out the gloves, wash my hands, and then I'll put her on. That is motherhood without help. Just finished school runs and I'm back home. Baby is sleeping in here because I couldn't be bothered about the stroller this morning. It's drizzling. So yeah. So this morning, this is what I've gotten up to. My baby is sleeping and I decided to have some me time since I'm home alone today. I have a delivery. I'm going to check. Let's see. Right, I've got delivery. Okay. Oopsie. So like I said before, looks like I have a delivery. I actually did got a delivery. What has been life to me? I basically had to set my phone reminder that I should always drink water. This is all the milk I was able to get in 1 hour. This is somehow frustrating to me, but I don't have a lot to say because it's very little. 1 hour pump. No. So I had to actually train myself. This is my person. I had to train myself, encourage myself by getting that cup. So if you look fancy, you need to always drink water. Hopefully it will help in my surprise as I'm doing this breastfeeding part alone. The last time I did that, it was with my mom and she really helped. But now I'm having to do this part alone. So let's quickly do on an unboxing, unpackaging. Yeah, that's the right word. So I got this white noise machine thing from the brand. So this is supposed to be making some sort of proper white noise. If you check YouTube, you will see what white noise are. They are basically maybe rain sounds, songs, you know. But I feel like this is going to be for the rain sound. So yeah, I look forward to using this. And it's the what's it called? The iPhone 16 charger thing that it uses. So that works. I've got the charger, so I might not need this one. So that's that. I got, what's this one? I think these are color catchers. You put this in the washing machine and then it will catch the color, the other colors. Like if you want to wash this one, I want to wash like a light brown cloth or something. If you put this in your machine, it's going to hold the colors and the colors will not clash on each other. Got that. I got this baby oral cleaner for the tongue because my baby's tongue sometimes has the milk color so I'll be using this to clean our tongue. It's almost winter, it's close to autumn, and of course winter. So I got these shoes for Gabriella, cool girl. I got these boots for her. She'll be so happy when she comes back from school and she sees them. I just hope it will be a color, a size rather. I think they are cute. Yeah. And it's sturdy, yeah. So to keep her feet warm. Because the one she has, of course, she's a growing baby. The black boot she had last year is a little bit tight, and I don't want her to be squeezing her feet inside that one. My sister has one as well, a pink one, very cute. I intend getting a winter jacket that is this color for Gabriella, because I've got one. That's why I bought this color. And then what else? Yeah, so I will soon start going to church, because we would have the child dedication in about 2 weeks, and today is the 1st of September, so we would need to be putting baby food when she starts. Baby food, some in here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to be putting it inside of, measuring it and putting it here. I have a flask for hot water, so this will just come in handy when I decide that she will be having milk during the day, as opposed to just breast milk. In my kitchen, I don't have an apron, so I got this apron for when I'm cooking in the kitchen. I also got this iron sponge set. I also got this bag. This one, they can serve as covers for your food. They actually show that it will serve as cover for food, but it can serve multi-purpose. I can use it to cover my hair to have a shower in the bathroom. I'll show you one, just one. This is it. They're basically nylons. Okay, see, a child's head, not me, but this can cover up your plates when you have food leftovers. But the one that is like this that I had before was a little bit thicker and it was bigger. That's a shower cap, and it came in a pack of 100 as well. And my daughter has been using that in the bathroom, but I think she's exhausted it though. I got this bathroom mat. The shower mat, so you put this on the floor, stand on it, and I have a shower. Yeah, got that. I currently have a white one, and I was looking for something transparent, so that's why I got this one. What else? What else? What's this? I absolutely don't. Oh, okay. I can smell it. I bought toilet blocks. Yeah, these are. Smells good. You throw this in your I don't know what's that thing called, your toilet seat where you flush your water. You throw this in there, so it's going to flush with some color and fragrance. I can't wait to use that. I usually use the, is it Dr. Block or Active in the bathroom, but I decided that I wanted something more. So these are to take it's called nasal, what's it called, nasal aspirator, yes, for the nose of the baby, to take out fluids that are there, like the when your child has a running nose. I just bought it. I'm sure I might not even use it, but I sure bought it. I got this hand jewelry. Is it for my first birthday? How is this supposed to size a newborn? Oh, well, a 1-year-old child. I don't know. What was I thinking when I bought this? I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this hand gel. But that's by the way. I've got this. What's this one? Oh, a vest. And then a skirt. I thought it was just a skirt. A pleated skirt. When I saw it online, I really liked the buildings on the skirts. Look, that was what made me buy the skirt. I didn't know it was supposed to come with this. It comes with a vest. Well, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. That's all I got. Yeah. And the highlight of this purchase is just the skirt because I really love it. I've always wanted to own a pleated skirt. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I hope to rock this to church before the weather changes completely. So that's nice. Yeah, so that's all I got. I'll just go back to relaxing, watching the video that I was watching before, and when it's time to go get the birth certificate, I'll go get it, and after that we'll pick up Gabriella and come back home. So thanks. We had an appointment to pick up the birth certificate today, and I just went to do that. It was less than 30 minutes, and yeah, going back home to rest for a while before I go to pick up senior sister. Yep.